Hey.
Ah, wrong thing.
Hey, Heather.
What?
Watch out for the truck. Hey, what are you doing?
Picture of this truck. It looks just like my little RC. It does. It looks almost exactly like the little RC I have.
Holy crap! Look at these wheels. Look at these wheels, guys. This car is like huge. Holy crap! Look at that. You got a stereo up there, lights. Holy shit, that's cool. No, that is awesome. Do you see what's on the bottom of there?
What?
Come on the other side. Cowboys. Cowboys?
That doesn't surprise me.
Cowboys. Come on, Heather. Nice car.
I got it too.
And I got it on video.
Of course you did.
Hey. Oh my god!
Let's track that one. See if we can find out where it's parked. Parked right here, not perfect.
No, park right there.
Here it's that yellow. Which I think it's probably gonna do. Maybe it'll park beside the red. That's over there.
We're just looking at all these cool cars.
And more of them keep coming.
Yeah, this is I don't know what weekend this is. What weekend are we on?
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person.
I think this is 7. I think it's 7.
This one's parking right beside the red one.
Oh yeah, we were just there. Look.
Oh. Hey, then we can go over and actually get it.
Oh, I want to see the blower. I want to see the blower. I want to. That's a cool car. It's a dragger. Holy shit, look at the engine. Look at the engine on that thing. Holy crap. Nice. 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 Heather. Hey, it's your Mustang. It's a Mustang. That's a Mustang. Even though it doesn't have a thing, because look, GT is Mustang. Look, where is it? Yeah, right here, Heather. Heather, right there. Look.
It says Mustang.
Mustang.
GT.
Magnaflow. Best brand of exhausts. Nice.
You would know that.
What, Magnaflow?
Yeah, you'd know.
Okay, you know monster trucks, Heather.
Yeah.
They use Magnaflow.
I know, that's why I said you would know.
Hey, that one. Hey, Heather, that bike wouldn't go bye-bye. That's a cool bike. Hey, look at the Mustang coming up the hill.
Hey, at least you got that one.
Yep, come on, let's go. Keep going. Nice. Heather, come on.
I'm taking as many pictures as I possibly can.
What, to send to me?
Call that and show my dad.
I could put them up on 2 things. I can put them up on the Facebook wall and my My personal page. Oh, nice. The Chevy. Hey Heather, let's come on. Hey Heather, I got a picture for you to take.
What?
Right there, that one right there. This one right here.
That one?
That one.
I got a picture of that one.
Well, you got a picture of the Crazy H Carnage?
Yeah.
Really?
I got that one, yeah.
I'm still wondering how you can actually shift with that.
I like the stickers that makes it look like it has bullet holes. I like
Hey,
that.
hey, Heather, come on, come here, come on. Hey, Heather. It's the car we came in.
The one we came in, yeah, I know. I think that's cool. I like
This is the coolest car. Look at this. See. Wait, Heather. What are you doing? What are you doing, Heather?
What?
Wink?
No. I'm not going to get it with that one. We're talking about your wonderful announcement about the MR2. MR2, bye-bye.
Yeah.
I can get a photo. The strange thing is, he got more
What are you doing, Heather?
of the insurance company.
Oh my god. Oh god. I think that's the normal. I'm checking out this car. Yeah, there's Heather. Here's me looking at my favorite car. Let's see it. I don't know. I've seen this one. Oh, that's that Mustang. I don't think it's Camaro. It's a Mustang. It's the coolest Mustang ever. 5.0. That's cool. That's a cool Mustang. Now I gotta go.
After 66,000 miles, I'm thinking
You didn't look in the picture, did you? Look in the picture.
You're there, aren't you? Why the heck are you there? Why?
Because I looked cool. It made me look cool.
I like it.
That's what happened back in the day.
Yeah.
You used to get that stuff in there. Look at these. 55 cents.
Don't you wish nowadays things were not that
Boneless chicken sandwich.
you got it. I'm going to. Right
That
now.
was
You
old
got a
days.
nice,
50. Wow. 10 cents. 15 cents. Wow. Damn.
That's what it looked like when I brought it home. It wasn't that bad.
No, it's not.
That was the same color. That was the original.
Come on, Heather.
I like the That's what things used to be. Don't you wish they were now?
This is a fully restored car. What do you expect?
Yeah, and here's a little thing for it. Base of the price sticker, the options, and then the actual page price.
It's worth more than that now.
I know, it's worth more, plenty more. It even won an award.
Maybe a little bit.
Nice. Hey, Heather. What car do you want to see next?
I've got
Here, Heather.
any more good ones you can spot.
Over there.
Okay.
I broke it down to Alabama. Punched it down to Alabama.
Yeah, we're going around the area.
On a Friday, I drove it.
Try and get as many.
Cars
Oh,
and.
this was for sale too.
Let me check. $57. It's like 20.
Huh?
20. 20,000. We could. Yeah, it looks like it.
And his name is Ken.
What's his last name? Block? I'm looking at this car. This is cool. This is a, oh, we got a Mustang. We got a Mustang alert. We got a Mustang for Ashton. Hey, Heather. Heather. Come on.
Coming. Calm down.
Holy crap.
I gotta put it in the corner.
No, that's cool.
Take a picture?
I'm just recording it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like YouTube.
Oh, okay, good.
That's a cool engine. That looks all original.
Yeah, it is all original.
I could tell how the rust.
Yes, the rust and the dirt.
Yeah, that's nice.
The patina. That's
Yeah.
what rust is called.
Yeah. That's cool. Hey. Hey, Heather, it's the car Ashton likes. Oh, nice. Oh, I want to get a picture of this car up here. I want to get a video of it. Here we got a car up there. I'm just waiting for you, Heather.
Yeah.
We should keep it around like 20-minute long videos.
Alright.
Yeah, that was cool. That guy was nice.
I wanna get a picture.
Okay. I'm getting video of this car because it's awesome. This is like an awesome. Oh, you got a picture of it? And I'm gonna go up here for a second. This is how far. That's the car show. That is the car show. Dude, you can actually see the whole car show from up here.
I already got a picture of this one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I did. I remember.
You're gonna have to send.
I got a picture of it.
You gotta send me the picture, babe.
Remember, I'll be sending you 3 at a time, remember?
Yeah. I'm gonna keep this around 20 minutes.
Alright.
25 at the most. Nice.
It's coming into the car show, too.
I'm just trying to cross. Come on. It's one of these days. We are
We
down.
already have a picture. We already have a picture of the one we came in, right?
Yeah, no, I don't think so. No, we gotta go back there then.
Yeah,
You
we do. One we sitting in the driver's
But you never got a picture of the whole car.
That's true. Of me not in it.
Yeah.
There's one of me in it, and there's one of you in it.
Yeah, and I took those. So we gotta go get
No.
a picture of the cool car.
No, I took the one for you, and you took the one for me.
Yeah, but we're not having the outside of the car filmed. I have it filmed, but not picture. So we're good. We need a picture of it. Yeah.
Alright. Here, I'll hold your phone, you can do mine. 'Cause you do better with mine than I do. Okay?
Where you
Down-
still your picture right here?
Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. You do better getting pictures than I do. You get it?
Look, check it out. Let's see how it is. See how I did it.
That's how you did.
That's good.
Not bad, you did good.
Did better than you.
Oh, shush.
There's a truck down here.
If he wants to survive,
No, I'm just.
he doesn't know his way, so.
Hey, me and Heather would have to walk home, and then I would say, okay, Heather's. I'll be like to Heather's dad. I'll be like, hey, we can't get a ride.
Yeah, then Heather's dad's gonna kill me. Don't blame us, we got stranded.
No, I blame my mom.
Okay, we don't need those.
Where's Dan at anyway?
Find a Dodge and you find him.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
That should be easy enough.
Find a Dodge and he's good, cause he's a Mopar freak.
Okay.
That's what the Plymouth is. That's what the car is. That car is a Plymouth.
It's a Plymouth? So I just rode a Plymouth Roadrunner.
Yeah. It's like He actually built that back up. It's a good car.
I like it. I like the color. I want it. I like the feel of it, too. I may not have been the one driving it, but I was the one sitting in it. I like the feel.
Yeah, I know you did.
I like the feel.
I know Ashton would love that. Loves that car.
That one car. You sent him a picture of it.
Yeah, I did.
Wonder
Yeah,
if he
that's
got
what.
it.
I'm not even sure either. Yeah, that's why Ashton's not with us.
You showed me though.
Yep. Yeah, that's why Ashton is not here, because there only was room for 5 in the car that we just rode in.
Next time.
Maybe. And here's a tow truck all the way back here. What's a tow truck for? And then all the, oh, look at all the cars.
We are here in Maryland.
Maryland. And we just saw a person wearing a Steelers jersey here.
I know. It was Ben. It was a Ben one though.
It was a Big Ben.
Yeah, it was Big Ben.
He's cool.
Number 7. You gave me yours. Remember?
No, I didn't give you my number 7.
Hey, you did. You gave me number 7. You gave me your old blue one.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember which.
And then you gave me a 39, I think it was.
Oh, Parker.
So you gave me Parker.
Oh, he's old. He's not even on the team anymore.
Well, you gave me a Parker one that swamps me, and then the 7 one fits me right.
7-1 doesn't fit me. I'm still keeping my 43.
Okay, you can have it. Tell my brother goes and he calls him Palamalu. Palamalu.
Yeah, that's his nickname.
I know, and that's what Sean says. Palamalu. How is Palamalu doing?
Palamalu.
That's what Sean actually did. He did
That's
that.
a song.
I know, he did that too.
He heard the song, it must be.
He must have.
Look at the car.
I don't know how, because none of his friends like sports.
Let's go down that way, see what's down there.
You want to go down that way?
Yeah, we still have room and time.
Alrighty, right.
And plus, I haven't been all the way down that way before.
Okay.
Because all the times I would have to just stay with my mom. Yeah, last time I came down here was when I was 15 or 14, 15.
And you're 20 now.
Yeah.
So calculate the years there.
5 to 6 years.
There you go. You're better dead than I am. You know?
Okay, we're gonna go in the shade. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you
Looking around and taking in.
Yeah. You've never been down to Maryland, so
I've never been down there, but you know what?
down here.
I've been somewhere where I wanted to be.
That's true.
Let's check that one off. La 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 la. I'm feeling myself, people.
Yeah, because she had a Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
And ice cream.
Yeah, this kid's been out of my system for some time now. It's just the Mountain Dew now.
Holy crap.
Some beer and wine. And then a car place.
Advanced Auto Parts.
Yeah. I think this is where my dad worked for. He worked for
Yeah.
Advanced Auto Parts.
Yeah. That's the road we came up right up there, guys. Came down that road. And I'm just trying to see what's down here. I've never been down here. Mr. Tire. Then there's an AT&T. Sushi bar. Dunkin' Donuts. Baskin Robbins.
I like Baskin Robbins ice cream.
Come on.
Dunkin' Donuts, their donuts are not real. They're frozen discs. They're not homemade anymore. It's true. My dad found out they're just frozen discs.
Really? How?
Yeah, they come in on a truck. frozen. And then they do everything they have to them and they warm them up and shit.
Damn.
Dunkin' Donuts are not made fresh anymore. They're frozen.
Yeah, guys, this is us walking around. The car show is over there, but we're over here. We just wanted
checking other things out.
because I haven't ever been that far away from the car show before. But I'm still. No, I've been down here, but I never went this far.
I know, but you've been down here, is what I mean.
Yeah, I have. It's fun.
I know. Look, a kid in a fucking candy store.
In the candy's cars.
Yes. That would be the same thing for my dad. He'd be like a fucking kid in a candy store. You'd lose him immediately.
I would have to call him.
And on him, he wouldn't pay attention.